We're thrilled that the Disney Cruise Line favorite, Marvel Superhero Academy, will be on the Disney Wish. In this high-tech Avengers headquarters, young recruits will train alongside some of their favorite superheroes.
So cool. I've always wanted to learn how to do that Spider-Man thing. You know, how you sling webs and all that.
Well, I can't give you all the details on what our heroes in training will learn, but I can confirm that Spider-Man will be making an appearance.
Yes!
As well as superheroes like Black Panther, Ant-Man, and the Wasp. And kids will choose their own hero suit and put it to the test. Let's take a sneak peek.